Hello students, we know how you find the complementary function of f of d dash operator on z is equal to 0. Now today we see how you find the general solution of f of d dash operator on z is equal to f of x1. Now its general solution contains two parts. One part is complementary function and other part is the particular integral. Therefore its general solution is given by z is equal to cf plus particular integral. And you know how you find the complementary function when the auxiliary equation has non-repeated roots or when the auxiliary equation has repeated roots. Now today we see how you find its particular integral and we solve one example. Now to find the particular integral, let so your partial differential equation is f of d dash operated on z is equal to f of xy. F of xy means any function in two variables, e raised to x plus by or sin of x plus by or cos of x plus by or x into y, algebraic function in two variables, any function. So you operating the operator 1 upon f of d dash on both sides, we get. So what do we get? 1 upon f of d dash into f of d dash operated on z is equal to 1 upon f of d dash into f of xy. This is the capital F and this is the small f. So here f of d dash and 1 upon f of d dash are the inverse operators to each other. Therefore this can be written as z is equal to 1 upon f of d dash into f of xy. Here the value of z so obtained is called the particular integral. Therefore particular integral is the value of z is equal to 1 upon f of d dash into f of xy. F of xy be any function in x and y variables. So we solve one example. Solve d square minus 2 into d dash plus d dash square operated on z is equal to, you take f of xy is 12xy or only xy or 6xy, any function. Solution. The given partial differential equation is this. Number 1, d square minus 2d dash plus d dash square operated on z is equal to 12xy. So this general solution contains two parts, complementary function and particular integral. First we find complementary function. So auxiliary equation is, what is auxiliary equation? M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So you know that auxiliary equation is obtained by putting d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. That is, this can be written as m minus 1 square is equal to 0. That is m square minus 2m plus 1. Therefore m is equal to 1 and 1. Means here root 1 occurs 2 times. Therefore complementary function is equal to, so you know that if the roots are repeated, how you write the complementary function? That is phi 1 of y plus m1x plus x into phi 2 of y plus, not m1x, mx, phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx. Here phi 1 of y plus x into phi 2 of y plus x, because root x occurs, root m is equal to 1 occurs 2 times. So this is the complementary function number 2. Now we find particular integral. Therefore, particular integral is equal to 1 upon f of d dash into f of xy. F of xy is 12xy is equal to 1 upon, here f of d dash is d square minus 2 into d dash plus d dash square, and f of xy is 12xy. Again this can be written as 1 upon, so d minus d dash and its square, expansion of this is the d square minus 2d dash plus d dash square into 12xy. This is the particular integral. You simplify it. Therefore, is equal to, particular integral is equal to 1 upon, here 1 upon d minus d dash square. So you take d common, 1 upon d into 1 minus d dash upon d, and here whole square operated on 12xy. So I will write complementary function here, that is phi 1 of y plus x into phi 2 of y plus x. I will remove this. So is equal to 1 upon, here d square, 1 minus d dash upon d square. So this can be written as 1 minus d dash upon d raised to minus 2 into 12xy. Then by making use of binomial expansion, so is equal to 1 upon d square in bracket, so expansion of this, that is here minus, means all signs are positive. If here plus, then signs are minus, plus means alternate signs, minus plus and so on. Therefore 1 plus 2 into d dash upon d, then plus 3 into 2d dash upon d square, means 6 d dash upon d square, and so on into xy. D dash means derivative of this with respect to y. Here y, only one y. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1, and second derivative 0, means d dash square becomes 0, means higher power of 2 and higher power becomes 0. So is equal to 1 upon d square, here you simplify 12xy plus 2 into derivative of this with respect to y, means 12x upon d, this d. So is equal to 1 upon d means integration with respect to x. Therefore here 12 into y, 1 upon d square of x, then plus 24 and if you simplify this, here d square into d, 2 into 12 means 24x, and here d square into d means dq. Therefore 1 upon dq of x. Then after simplifying, is equal to 12 into y. So 1 upon d square, integration of x is x square upon 2, then plus 24 1 upon d square. So x means x square upon 2. Again this can be written as 12y 1 upon d into, here you take 1 upon 2 outside, means 1 upon 2 here, x cube upon 3 plus 24 24 upon 2, 1 upon d, x cube upon 3. So here not d square, here d only, 1 upon d, because 1 upon d into 1 upon x square upon d. Therefore this 1 upon d means integration of this 1 upon 12 or 12 upon 2y x cube upon 3. This completes, means then plus 24 upon 2 1 upon dx cube by this. Therefore is equal to 2x cube y plus 24 upon 2 means 12, and here what 3 into 2 6, 24 upon 6 means here 2 into x raised to 4 upon 4. Or here 6, 3 into 2 6, and its integration not here, here 4 into x raised to 4 upon 4, 4 cancel. Therefore lastly particular integral is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube y, or 2x cube y plus x raised to 4. Therefore general integral is equal to, or general solution of 1 is z is equal to cf plus pi. Cf means phi 1 of y plus x into phi 2 of y plus x, then plus x raised to 4 plus 2x cube y. So in this way you can find the particular integral. So we solve so many examples of this type. Thank you.